I'm contained. I'm glad that EFF give us a chance to contest the space.
Every day we lose. You lose a job interview to someone else. You lose a tender. You lose a girlfriend to another man. You lose a soccer final. Does that mean you are not human? Does that mean you must ban everything? No. Let's listen to the experience of Offensive Fees losing EFF biggest ward. During his interview with King Saito, shout out to you, Grootman, he revealed he lost the biggest ward in Northern Cape, over 300 members, alone to Kenneth Cook, but he refused to complain. And that politics, but that's also life. Let's learn.
Last time I saw you, you were running for ward councillor.
Yes.
You governed some, let me say, there were some people that had confidence in you, yes, saying, listen, we think we can vote for you.
Yes.
You went up in the nature of democracy,
yes,
in the elective conference, and you fell short to Mr. Kok. What's his name again?
Kenneth Cook.
Kenneth Cook, and he won the elections. How has it been ever since then? Have you spoken to him? How's the vibe in your ward, which is the biggest ward, by the way, I think in the whole Northern Cape. If it's the biggest in Soplake, it's the biggest in with over 300 members in that ward,
yes,
alone. So yes, how has it been? How do you feel? Uluza monna, uluzile monna, uluzile. Wile wena o tla tshwara setjhaba monna. Setjhaba sa ba le ntate abuti Kenneth Cook.
Look, I'm a member of the EFF. And before being a member of the EFF, I'm a member of the community. And those things, if you don't put them into place, you're going to react. And you're going to give a wrong message about who you are if you become a fanatic. Look, we went there to contest, and with community behind, believing that we can become something. But losing does not really mean much to me. Because of, remember, I'm not contesting my space. I'm contesting the space of the EFF. And it is the EFF members who has to show confidence that we really believe that Offense can go there and represent us. And if the numbers did not make it, I'm not going to be that guy who writes letters to complain. I'm not going to be that guy who goes around complaining that this thing was not fair or any of that. No. Remember, KG, we've got young men who are looking up to us. We've got young girls who look up to us. And in the community, we're fully aware that this thing was heavily followed, and people were having heavily contested.
Look, this is not just EFF, this is life. When you apply for ShopRite job and they take your neighbor, do you ban ShopRite? No. People choose what they think is best for them at that time. When your child tries out for school soccer team and coach pick another boy, do you tell your child to hate the coach? No. You tell him train hard. Look, Offense lost the word, but he remembers that young boys and girls are watching. A Tekaso or a Lokshin or a township, when you lose and you start insulting everyone, the kids learn that losing is equal to being angry. But Offense shows losing is equal to staying human. You can learn something from this guy. The big surprise is, he still lives in the same ward, still buys bread at the same spaza or shop. He will still see Kenneth Cook tomorrow. If he had insulted, how will they greet each other?
So we went there knowing very well that the chances are 50-50. And if you knew that the chances are 50-50, why, when it's not 50 on your side, 50 on the side, why do you want to feel bad? This is not about emotions. EFF is a political movement that deals with ideas, not emotions. So I'm contained. I'm glad that EFF give us a chance to contest the space, and this was done to prove and also to give confidence to the young ones to say, not only contesting politically, but contesting generally in life. If you want something, you must go out there and take a risk. You can never know, because of either way it's 50-50. You've got nothing to do. So this thing was not emotionally, I was not emotionally much invested, but because of I love my people, I think you know that I've done programs that shows that I'm not just that guy who goes around speaking good English. I'm the guy who really can lead, and of course, and I've done that without any position. So I was contesting because of I believe if then I've got the political responsibility, then I was gonna do more, and I can do more, Kagisho.
In life, you can be tested in many ways. Losing to someone doesn't mean you are finished. People choose what they thought was best. Respect it. Go back, work, come back again. Let's share our life experience in the comment section and tell us what do you think about what happened to Offense. Do you Grootman King say so? Big up.